What's up, guys? I have one of the nicest 1977 Sachs Balboa mopeds. This thing even has its original toolkit and air pump, which are very hard to find. With that being said, this is a very, very complete, all original, very stock bike. I'm gonna be giving you guys a really quick walk around today, just so you guys can see if your bike is missing anything, or if you guys just like mopeds and or just really like Sachs, you guys can now see exactly what this thing has, because this is a very original bike, still in the condition when it was purchased back in 1977. I'm gonna go take this thing for a ride, get it to a nice little spot so we can do a little edit, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and this helps you see if your bike is missing anything.